Gather the top half section of your hair into a ponytail. Take your flexi clip and slide the pin underneath all the hair. Fold the flexi loop over the ponytail and latch at the pin on the other side. This is your half-up ponytail. Gather the top half section of your hair into a ponytail. Take your flexi clip and slide the pin underneath all the hair. Fold the flexi loop over the twist and latch at the pin on the other side. This is your half-up ponytail. Start off by gathering the top half section of your hair and pulling it back into a ponytail. Split the ponytail into 3 sections and braid. Once your braid is completed, you're going to wrap it into a bun. Wrap it around, making sure the braid lays flat along the head. Tuck the ends underneath the braided portion. Take your flexi clip and insert the pin slightly inside the edge of the bun, grabbing the hair underneath along the scalp. Fold the flexi loop over the braided bun and latch over the pin on the other side. And this is your braided bun half-up.